coming. Look at mine.
Oh my God, he got longhorns.
Pretty much everything that they graze through. It's about 55
Longhorn
acres again.
steakhouse.
There is a pathway they can follow to work their way to the barn. They go to that barn periodically throughout the day, kind of get some water, some of the grain and stuff at the farm. But it's always funny because at some point in each of these cows' lives, those horns get a little too big and they can't fit back to the barn.
He stabbed him.
After about 3 or 4
That's why he's
attempts,
moving.
they realize they now have to turn their heads every time that they want to get into the barn.
They're all coming.
Coming to visit. Big guy.
Just don't worry.
Oh, what's going on? Who's got the goodies?